If you're experiencing frame stuttering in The Sims 4, this guide will help you troubleshoot and improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to enhance performance and reduce lag. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for The Sims 4. This includes checking your CPU, RAM, and graphics card specifications. Upgrading hardware may be necessary for optimal performance. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers. Keeping your drivers updated can significantly improve game performance and fix compatibility issues. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Launch The Sims 4 and navigate to the Game Options menu. Lower the graphics settings, such as reducing the resolution, turning off shadows, and lowering texture quality. This can help reduce the strain on your system and improve frame rates. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background while playing The Sims 4. Programs that consume a lot of resources can lead to frame stuttering, so freeing up system resources can enhance performance. Step 5. Repair game files. If the issue persists, open the game launcher and locate the option to repair the game. This will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which can resolve performance issues related to stuttering. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in the frame stuttering issue in The Sims 4. Enjoy your gaming experience.